Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you're looking for some high quality nut oils to add to your kitchen or your pantry, I want to show you these incredible oils from Fresh Vintage Farms. I love them. This is a set of 2 nut oils. You have almond oil and walnut oil, and both of these are amazing because they have lots of health benefits. They're loaded with vitamins. The walnut oil is a super excellent source of omega-3s, which is one of the reasons that I absolutely love it. And best of all, they both taste delicious. These oils are cold pressed, which allows them to really maintain the integrity of the nutrients. And it also allows for that really delicious fresh nut flavor. And you can really taste the nuts in these. So with the walnut oil, you really taste the walnuts. Same thing with the almond. They are really nice to use in a variety of different dishes. So the walnut oil has a low to medium smoke point. So this is perfect for using for cold dishes, especially finishing salads. I have used it in a pesto and for things like hummus. And the almond oil is a great replacement for olive oil or things like that that you would cook with because it has a medium to high smoking point. So either way, they're both really delicious and I found them to be super useful, and I have been incorporating them into a ton of different dishes. You can really taste the quality in these oils. They taste amazing, they taste fresh and delicious, and I have found them to really enhance the flavors of whatever I have put them in. So if you're looking for some high quality nut oils to add to your diet for either the health benefits or just the really delicious flavor, then definitely check out Fresh Vintage Farms. I really love this bundle of nut oils and I've been really happy with it. And that is my point of view.